Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add logos in Canva for PC. Just simple. Before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe button and you can also click notification bell so you can get more videos update. Okay, you have to prepare the logo that you want to add, and then you can click create a design. For example, I'm going to create a design using template, and then I'm going to select this one and I'm going to replace the text. For example, just for size, and then I'm going to add logo. Click upload, and you can upload your logo files. Click upload files, and I have uploaded this Canva logo. Then click just simple. Can adjust for position and size like this. Okay, just simple. That's how to add logos in Canva for PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and ensure thanks. Bye bye.